Welcome! Today we're drawing a shark as seen in the left, and you're starting with the top line that's a gentle arc, and then the lower line, it's a bit bigger at the end where you're going to put the teeth for the mouth, getting smaller to the tail. And then when we put on the tail, I'm doing the top and the bottom line, and notice the top line is bigger. So there's lots of room for stylization in this fun shark, but I'm just pointing out those are some things that you may find make it seem more successful. So I'm doing a large eye with a little dot, and then the great big smiley mouth with some teeth. A few little gills, again, can be closer or farther apart for your liking. One side fin, and then the one on the top is that curved line hooked back, that dorsal fin that would be sticking out of the water. You can add action lines however you want, wavy or straight. And then I'm going to add a few little bubbles coming up out of the water, and because I added a part about following your passions like a shark, I did add a heart bubble. But add whatever you see fit for your shark.